Micro learning has introduced an opening for a lot of video. We've been doing a lot of video of late, and I just wanted to help explain to people how to plan for video and what's involved and some of the indicative effort and costs that you may need. And I guess a key factor that I would say is determining whether you need a crew. So a crew would be more your high production value, where you might have someone looking just paying attention to the sound, and someone looking after the lighting and the boom mic and helping direct to shoot and manage the talent, as opposed to a training video that might just have a one-person crew where they come in and shoot and they pay attention to all those extra elements, but it's a professional, but it's not going to be that high production or TV commercial quality that you'd expect with a crew. Now, obviously, yes, the expense is going to be far different, because instead of paying for one person to shoot, you might be paying for 3, 4, or 5 people on a shoot. The setup of a shoot can take up to an hour. So if you're changing a scene to a different scene, it might be packing up, relocating, and setting up again, and that could take half an hour for a setup. So if you're doing a 2-3 minute little piece to camera video and you've got multiple scenes and additional shots, like we call B-roll footage. So if I'm talking about the weather and all of a sudden the camera breaks and pans to show some trees blowing in the wind, we call that B-roll footage, those extra shots. So again, that takes more time as well, and then you've got to edit that in. But a good factor would be if you're doing a training video, maybe it's a one-person crew, so to speak, and if you're doing something that's got more of a broader reaching and open access or broadcast type quality, then you may want to start to look at investing in a 3 or 4 person crew. And obviously the expense is going to be related to the amount of people and the time that you've got there as well. But as they say, you get what you pay for. But it's relative to what you want to achieve and the return on investment for that. Hopefully that's helpful.